Welcome to my channel Science Classes. Today we are going to discuss here the types of chemical reactions. Okay? The types of chemical reactions. So let's begin.
So here we have five types of chemical reaction. First, combination reaction. Second, decomposition reaction. Third, displacement reaction. Fourth, double displacement reaction. And fifth, oxidation reduction reaction. First we will discuss about combination reaction. So when two or more substance, the substance either be element or compound, there will be no problem. As a reactant to form a single product is called combination reaction. So here I am taking A as an element and B as a other element. Okay. So when they both are combining, they will form a single product AB. What? AB. As our definition, it is coming same. So one element we have taken here carbon, okay, and other is oxygen. So when both will combine, they will form CO2 gas. CO2 gas. Here I have written, यहाँ पे हम लिखे हैं S, here G, here G. This is the physical state of the element. About this we will discuss later. One more example I had taken here. CaO, calcium oxide, is dissolving in the water. It will form the calcium hydroxide. What? Calcium hydroxide aqueous. Aqueous is the physical state of the calcium hydroxide. So remember that calcium oxide is also called the quicklime. What? Quicklime. And calcium hydroxide is also called the salt lime. Okay, salt lime. So this salt lime is also used for the whitewashing the wall. Okay, calcium hydroxide or salt lime is also used for the whitewashing the walls. But difference is that it will not give you immediately shiny surface of the wall, but it will take 2 or 3 days to give the shiny surface, because it will react with carbon dioxide present in the air and form a thin layer of calcium carbonate, and calcium carbonate gives us a shiny surface on the walls. So see here, calcium hydroxide or salt lime is used for whitewashing the walls, okay, and it reacts slowly with CO2 present in air to form thin layer of calcium carbonate. So this reaction we will see here. Calcium hydroxide we had we had used for the whitewashing, and this CO2 will be present in the air. This will react with CO2 slowly and form the calcium carbonate CaCO3, and water also be H2O also be released here. Okay. So another thing is that the chemical formula of marble. Do you know that marble? Marble we are using in a home for making the surface smooth. So the chemical formula for marble is calcium carbonate. Okay, calcium carbonate is the formula of what? Marble. CaCO3, calcium carbonate. Just remember it. Next, reaction of CaO with water. It is very important here. Reaction of calcium oxide with water release large amount of heat. Okay, reaction of calcium oxide with water release large amount of heat. So just remember it. Reaction in which large amount of heat is released is called exothermic reaction. Okay, reaction in which large amount of heat is released, that is called the exothermic reaction, and one more is that the reaction in which heat will be observed. Okay, the heat will be observed, that will be called the endothermic. Okay, heat release exothermic, heat to observe endothermic. So one example I have taken here, CH4 methane. Methane in the presence of oxygen, it will give carbon dioxide and water and also produce the heat. So this is the example of the what? Exothermic reaction. So one more thing is coming here. It is about respiration. We know that respiration is also a what? Exothermic reaction. Why? Respiration is considered as an exothermic reaction. Why? We will see here. So we know that in the exothermic reaction, heat will be released. Heat will be released, or we can say that energy is releasing here. Okay. So see, respiration is considered as an exothermic reaction because it involves reaction of glucose. So how the glucose is forming? The carbohydrate broken down to form glucose. Carbohydrate is broken down to form glucose. And how we are taking the carbohydrate? Okay, carbohydrate we are taking by the food like rice, potato, bread. Okay, so these are some source of carbohydrate. Okay, so glucose and oxygen in the cell of our body and provides energy. Okay, so that is why it is a exothermic reaction. See, we had taken the reaction here, C6H12O6. C6H12O6. This is the formula of glucose. Glucose, or we can say that sugar also same formula. Glucose in the presence of oxygen, it will it will give carbon dioxide, okay, water and energy. This is giving here energy. That is why it is a exothermic reaction. One more point is coming here about combination reaction. About exothermic reaction. Why the decomposition of vegetable matter is an example of exothermic reaction. So decomposition of vegetable matter is an example of exothermic reaction because microbes, do you know microbes are present on inside the soil and all that. Microbes need energy to break the bond of vegetable. Okay, bond of vegetable are breaking by the microbes. That's why it produces heat energy. Okay, heat energy. So here we are getting the heat energy. So hence it is called the exothermic reaction. Here also we are getting the energy. Energy is releasing here. Okay, na? So that's why it is a exothermic reaction. Now note. So I told you that we will discuss about the physical state in the last. So to make the chemical equation more informative, okay, to make the chemical equation more informative, the physical state of each reactant and product are mentioned along with the chemical formula. Okay, like solid for S, liquid for L, gaseous for G, and aqueous for AQ. Aqueous for AQ. And what is aqueous? If the reactant and product represent as a solution in water, then they are called the aqueous. Okay, so one example here, suppose that H2 plus O2, what we are getting here, H2O. So this is a water liquid L. Okay, this is a gas G. This is the gas G. Okay, So this is these are the physical state. These are the physical state. Okay. I hope so. You all understand very well the combination reaction. Next video I will put the decomposition reaction and displacement, double displacement, and the oxidation reaction. Okay. Thank you.